Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. ABC, you came from the short, and you are ready to see me open up a bunch of Popmart blind boxes. And yes, we do have some Labubu today. So here we are at my desk, and I have SpongeBob the Monster, Sad Club Crybaby, Lazy Yoga Labubu, Baby Molly when I was free, and Almost Hidden the Monsters. So shall we open them all up together? Okay, let's go! I think I'm gonna start with. We're gonna open the Lazy Yoga Labubu box. Yay! This is a pink box. The packaging is really good, but let's see which ones we can get. We can get Little Bird, Confident, and Ab Roller. Then on the second row we have Lay Down, Stretch Out, Zone Out, and Show Off. Then on the third row we have Americano, Sleeping, Sweating, and The Secret, which is 100 and 175 chat. Okay, let's open the box. I wonder what I'm gonna get. I'm so excited. Okay, come on. Please, please, let it be a secret this time. One time, please, please. Okay. What do you think I'm gonna get, guys? Comment below which one you think is gonna be appearing. And this is the packaging. And so let's open it. 3, 2, 1. And we got, wow, I believe this is Confident. Okay, so I'm going to turn him around and show you the quality of this Lazy Yoga series. It's very like furry, and yeah, it's like very good quality. I mean, I'll say, can you see? He's the same one as on the packaging. And yes, here we go. Here's his name, Confident. Okay, so Confident. Let's put him over here first, and then let's open up our second box. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Okay, I'm going to open up Sad Club this time. So this is the packaging for Sad Club, and I'm going to show you the ones you can get on the back very quickly. As you can see, there's 8 different options you can get, including The Secret. Okay, so let's open it up. Can you guess which one I'm going to get this time? In 3, 2, 1. What did I get? Devastated. And this is the Crybaby, which I got from this blind box. You can see very cute, and it fits right in there inside the house. Okay, so I'm just going to leave it down there on the floor and move on to the next blind box. Which one shall I open this time? It's going to be Baby Molly. Yes, I love the Baby Molly series. I really think she's so cute. And I'm going to show you the packaging here. And then on the back, these are the options of Baby Molly you can get. It's so cute. Not going to go through them all, but going to quickly show you all of them so you can see there's 12 different options included in The Secret. Okay, I wonder which one I'm going to get today. Are you ready? I'm ready. So let's open up the Baby Molly box now. The packaging for Baby Molly is different from the other Pop Marts. You can see it has Molly on the front there instead of the normal Pop Mart. It's really cute because I really like seeing Molly's face. Okay, let's open up, guys. I wonder what I'm going to get. What do you think, guys? Oh my gosh. She's so cute. Let me show you her. Turn her all around. Look at her. Oh, I really do love this Baby Molly series. What about you? Don't you think she's so cute? So sweet. And also, I'm going to show you the card for Baby Molly. This is the card. And you can see it's morning call. And she's blown a trumpet. This is the back of the card. But wait a minute. Did I see a trumpet? Hang on. There must be a trumpet here somewhere. Okay, I found the trumpet. Let's open the trumpet and let's put it on Molly. Some of these blind boxes, they have like extra little pieces, as you notice here, which you need to fix on. So this is the trumpet. and I'm going to show you the quality, and you can see that there's a bird on there, and it connects onto a hand in this little hole or slot here. So let's put the trumpet on Molly and see. Okay, it's a little bit tricky, but I think I can put it on. Just give me a second. Let's see. Okay, you can see there's Molly blowing the trumpet with a bird on. And let's compare it to the sticker. Yay, you can see it looks very close together. Okay, let's put the sticker down there and let's put Molly back over here. So we've got 2 boxes left, and which one we're going to open? SpongeBob or Almost Hidden? Let's see. Okay, let's choose SpongeBob. And this is the SpongeBob the Monster Series blind box. I'm going to show you the packaging, and then I'm going to show you the possible options that you can get here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, including the secret, which is 13. Okay, I really hope I can get the secret this time. Okay, so let's open the box and see which one I can get today. Good luck to me, guys. Okay, thank you. And this is the packaging. Opening 3, 2, 1. What am I gonna get? It is... I got Tycho. Oh my god. This isn't even SpongeBob. This looks like an alien. Okay, let me open the packaging so you can have a more thorough look about this alien Tycho. It only has 1 eye, and it's got like 2 antennas, and it looks like it's skiing or something. Okay, here, I show you. Okay, so this is Tycho. You can look around and see the quality. I'm going to show you all around Tycho. Tycho, Mr. Alien guy with 1 eye. Okay, this is the card. You can see SpongeBob the Monster Series, Tycho. Okay. And I'm just going to show you the back of the card, which looks like it's his house, which looks like a giant pineapple. Okay, Tycho, enough fun with you for today. Tycho's going to go back with the others so that we can open up our last blind box. And the last blind box we're going to open today is the Almost Hidden the Monster series. And this is a very interesting series because each of the Labubus here represent like some kind of ornament or like furniture which you can get in your house. Let me show you that there's going to be 12 in total. And there's also the secret, which is 1 in, I believe, 46 chance. And today, I'm hoping that I can get a caramel pineapple or maybe traffic light. These are the 2 that I really want, and I don't want mailbox because I've already got 1 mailbox. So let's open up our last Labubu box and see what we can get. For all my viewers who actually got this far, please leave a comment and tell me if you like my unboxing videos. If you do, it will inspire me to make more. Okay, so I've nearly got this open, and again, wow, okay, this is not the normal Popmart packaging. You can see We Are the Monster is a special packaging for this actual blind box set. Okay, so let's open up in 3, 2, 1. Please, no mailbox this time. Secret. Oh my god, guys. You know what? I got a duplicate. This is mailbox again. Oh my god. How come? Why is it giving me? Why is it giving me 2 mailboxes? Can you see in the back? Can you see there? Right there? That's mailbox as well. I've got 2 mailboxes. Why? Why did you do this to me, Labubu gods? Oh, I really have bad luck these days. Okay, so let's open up the card, and you can see with mailbox, his actual head is inside a mailbox. And let me show you here. So I'm going to open up the front of the box. 1 second. It's a little bit tricky, but here you can see. Yes. Can you see? Exactly like the card, you can see the Labubu inside the mailbox. It's cute, but I've already got this one. Anyway, let me show you the quality, and let me show you all around so you can see the front, the side, and the back. I really hope that you enjoy this series, and This is Labubu mailbox, the second, which I got. Okay, guys, thanks a lot. And I hope you enjoy watching today. And please like and subscribe if you want to see more of these opening box series. Okay, thank you guys. Bye bye. Have a nice day.